Now it is clear A union C. This is A union C, and if I say, if I draw
Yeah.
the same graph,
صح.
and I will check. Wait, for example, this is a graph. I draw the Venn diagram. For example, this is A, and this is B. Clear? Can you
Yeah.
show A intersection B? Is there A intersection B or no?
Which question, teacher? Which one?
Here I have written. Can you show A
Yes.
intersection B?
No, no, you can't. So you can't.
You can write empty. Okay, right here. A intersection B is equal to empty. Okay. You know
Oh,
how to
I'll
show
change my.
empty set.
So I write empty. I write empty.
Empty set, yes, empty set. You know how to show empty set. No, not
No, I
write
didn't
as.
learn
You
that
should
one.
show the symbol. Empty set can be
No, I don't.
shown by
How
this way. Okay, you should remember it. Clear? This is empty set symbol.
Oh, yes,
Clear?
yes,
Fine.
yes. Mhm.
It's clear. Or you
All
can
right.
also write A. This is A intersection B. Okay, clear? Because there is
Okay.
no region is common, so they are empty. So we cannot color. We cannot show. Okay, it's clear.
Yes.
So
Clear,
there
teacher.
are okay. There are many questions in my book. Okay, so I will give you some question as a homework. But after class, I will upload. Okay, it is good.
It is good, teacher. It makes sense.
I will write upload pictures, and your task is to find out the things. Okay, you should solve it. This will be your homework. But I will upload homework after class. Okay, because I will see book from my library, and then I will
Okay.
upload the questions as a homework. Okay, clear? So
Okay,
you
teacher.
should solve
Clear,
and you will
teacher.
learn. I hope it is clear. So I am trying to open the wait. Now we are studying the functions. Okay, last time we are studying functions.
Okay.
Okay, if I say you should show complement, last time we were studying difference of two sets, so you should also remember, tell me it is clear or not clear. Wait.
It is clear, teacher. Teacher, can you give me 1 minute? I'll just be back. 1 minute.
Okay, okay, waiting, no problem.
Thank you, teacher.
You should go.
Thank you.
Minus b. Last time I teach you a minus b.
Yes, you did last time.
Yes, can you color? Can you show a minus b?
I color the
Yeah.
the diagram.
Yes, the color. Which diagram show a minus b?
Allah musta'an. This one.
Yes, we will color only A, okay? If
Yeah,
I
only
will
this one. Yes.
I will draw the same picture. Wait. Sometimes our this one, see. Sometimes
Oh, sorry.
you should use highlighter, okay? Click 8, okay? There is a common. Okay, good.
No, it's not working. Maybe it's gonna work now.
Now two sets have something common, okay? Some elements are common. So we will draw these two sets as, okay? Clear? Some
Yeah.
elements are common. We will draw as.
Yes.
Are you understanding? A
Okay.
and this is B, okay? So some
Mm-hmm.
elements are common. If I say show, this is show A minus B, okay?
Yes.
Here is show A minus B. Now I will say show B minus A, okay? Now they are They are disjoint set, okay? They have no
صح.
common, nothing is common, no common elements, okay? Here some elements,
Yes.
some elements are common. They are
Yes.
overlapping sets. Overlapping set have something common. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Can you show
Yes.
B minus A?
Yeah. You said it's overlapping, so there is no.
Yes. B minus A means you should subtract B, full B. You should subtract and color the portion of B. You should not color A portion, okay? You should only color B portion. You are taking B minus A, okay? Okay, good.
Yes.
B minus A, okay, good, good, great.
I remember your explanation last time.
Okay, good. I'm uploading universal set, okay? Universal set means
Yes.
all over sets, all other sets will be subset of this universal set, okay? Universal
Yes.
set, sometimes denoted by U and sometimes denoted by this symbol, okay? Clear? So
Yes, teacher.
T, people who like toast, okay? T
صح.
means people who like toast, okay? And E means people who like eggs. Clear?
صح. Yes.
Can you answer the question? How many people like toast?
Okay. Um, one, two, three.
Which elements you will see? Can you think? Can you
The
highlight the
toast.
people who like toast? First,
Yes, I can
highlight.
highlight.
Here names are not written, okay? Only their numbers are written, okay? Clear? Okay, good, great. Yes, this is a toast. Toast. These are not these not like toast. Full set elements you should count. They also like toast. Clear?
صح.
Okay, good, great. Now write here. Count and write. The people who
One, two,
like.
three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 people.
Okay, good, great. 8 people like toast. Okay? Eight,
Yes.
eight, eight only. 8 people. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Yes.
How you should choose different color of highlighter. How many people like eggs but not toast? Okay, but not toast. The people who
Okay.
like
This one.
eggs but not toast. Okay? Yes, with different color. Yes, they pure like only eggs. Okay, they don't like
Ah,
toast. Write
yes.
the number of elements right here.
Okay. 3.
Yes, good. Write it. 3. Okay. How many people like toast and egg? Toast and egg means uh, the common, the people who like both toast and eggs. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Yes, write 4 here. Yes, write 4. They are intersection, okay? This means the
Ah,
intersection of E intersection
yes.
T. Clear?
Yes. Clear this one. Yes. Very
In
clear.
here it is E minus T. Okay, we are subtracting the
Yes.
T toast part. And
صح.
how many people are in the hotel? Total people in the hotel. Can you count?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 18 people.
18 people. Okay, right. Good, great. You are genius.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, how many people like neither toast nor eggs?
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people.
7 people. Okay, good. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, good, great. How many people like neither toast or nor egg? Okay, good. There are total 7 people. Okay, good. Now we practice some questions.
We can start with functions if you want.
After this, you also need function.
I just need
Per-
you to help me with worksheet now. You know the worksheet?
okay. Yes, I have worksheet.
Yeah,
Function worksheet. Yes, I will help you.
yeah.
Okay, wait.
We even learned the infinite limit. Yeah, infinite limit.
Okay. Okay, now we are studying the functions. Okay, clear? Wait.
صح teacher. Make sure you do your division, Zara. Not the ones you're not required. The division one. She's
Last
doing her
time we have
homework.
completed this page, okay? I
Yes,
teach
teacher.
you when function graph of function is given, you can find this is a function. If I draw the graph, for example, see, I am drawing the graph and you should check this is a function or not function graph, okay? Are you understanding?
Yeah. Yes, teacher.
By vertical line test, okay, you can check by vertical line test, okay? For example, wait, I'm drawing. This is a rough. Can you check this is a function graph or not function graph?
Let me see. This one is not defined. Yeah.
You should use vertical line test. Draw vertical line and check it is a function or not function.
It is function because the line
You
or
should
function
again
line. Yeah.
read again vertical line test.
It says draw the function line from a horizontal and to a height, and if for every horizontal position vertical line
You should draw the
crosses the graph.
vertical line. If vertical line is passing through one point, then the graph is a function graph. You should see that here line is passing through 2 points. Then up, understand. When a line, if you draw vertical line at any point, okay, many vertical
Yes,
line,
teacher.
draw other vertical line. Also draw, not only one. If you draw mm, uh, one vertical line, two vertical line, three, four, any vertical line. So all
صح
vertical lines should pass through one point. Okay. So this is a
صح.
function or not function graph?
It is function.
Not function, I said many times. It is passing through 2 points. When vertical line cutting 2 points, then this graph is not function graph.
Ah, yes, yes. Sorry, teacher. I don't know where my mind
You
is,
should
but
remember it.
so basically, yeah, yeah, no, Subhanallah. So as
Vertical
long
line.
as so basically, what you're saying is, if
Vertical
it
line.
pass only one time, then it is function. But if it pass two, no function. Yeah,
Yes, no function.
yeah.
Clear?
Khalas. Yes, clear,
Okay, good. Understand it.
clear.
For example, this graph, sometimes some lines passes through one point and some lines passes through 2 points. So this is also not function like this. For example, here your graph is as, understand?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
clear now, teacher. Understood.
Now
Alhamdulillah.
you should draw the line, vertical line. Now you should draw the vertical line and check this is a function or not function.
This is function because it's only one line.
You should draw other points, not draw only one vertical line. Draw also other vertical lines. Draw here. Draw here. I said at any point if you draw the vertical line, it should be passing through one point. It is a function or not?
No function.
These lines are passing through one point, but I am saying if you draw vertical line from any point of the graph, so it will cut only one point. It will pass through only 1 point, then
One.
this is a function. Okay, clear now?
Ah,
Zainab,
yes.
it is clear?
Yes, teacher, you said if the vertical line passes through one point,
Yes.
it
Any
is
vertical
a
line,
function.
any, not only one. If you are drawing only one, it is not good. You should draw more than one vertical line. Draw different points, okay? And you should check. It should be passing,
Yes,
see. These, you should see other vertical lines are passing through one point, but this vertical line is passing through 2 points. So this means
2 points.
overall it is not function.
Function.
Clear?
Yes, no function. Yes.
Not function.
So that's a good question. Very good question.
Value there will be no 2. For one input there are more than 2 inputs. Okay, here you should see. For example, here we suppose 4. Okay, for 4 there are more than 2 y values. Okay, are you
Three.
understanding? For
Yes,
4
teacher.
there is, I suppose, 2 here, and for 4 there is 4 here. Okay, for 2 there
So
are 2 image. If there are more than 2 image, you already know that it is not function. Okay,
yes,
function has only one image. Okay, only
yes.
one image.
One
If
image.
more
So
than, if for one value of input, for one value of domain, if there are more than two outputs,
yes,
more than
yes,
two image, then this is not
yes,
function. So what is the concept about vertical line test? It is, vertical line test is, you should draw a vertical line if line is passing through one point, any line. Okay, if you draw any vertical line from any
yes,
point of the graph, then it will passes through only one point. Okay,
yes.
so it is
Okay.
function. If it is not passing through one point, this is not function. Okay, these two
Yes.
lines are not function. For example, if I draw horizontal, I think it is clear. Then we can move
Yeah,
to the
now.
next topic.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
good.
can move forward. Yes.
Okay, next we will move to next topic. Okay, good. Next topic is function describe well-defined association between inputs and outputs. Okay, function should be well-defined, and there is association between inputs and out. A well-defined function is assigned, if well-defined, if it assigned to each inputs a single output. Okay, function is
Yes.
well-defined. Okay, function will be well-defined if for each, it is written for each input there is a single output. Clear?
So
Otherwise function is not well defined. For each input, if there are more than one outputs, more than one image, then this function is not well defined. Clear?
yes, yes.
For example, y is equal to plus minus, wait,
Use a pencil. To use a
plus
pencil to
minus
do the
under
solution.
root x. Okay, this is well defined or not well defined? This function.
Let me read. Function.
You should put any x value and see you are getting two outputs or one output.
We are getting two output for this one, yeah?
For example, you should put any value, x is equal to 1. Wait. I suppose you are putting x is equal to 1, okay? So what is the
Yes.
output? You just write the output. What is the answer?
One. In output.
1. So you are getting for 1, you are, if you draw this diagram, okay, 1 for 1
Yes.
there are, for 1 there are two values, plus 1 and minus 1, okay? So this is
So
not function according to the definition of function. This is not well defined function, okay? You
so
should write it is not well defined
well,
function, okay?
yes.
Good, great. You're genius. Well
Thank
defined
you.
function. So y is equal to f of x. Okay, a function is denoted by symbol such as function. Function is denoted by f. Okay, not f of x. Clear? F of
Yes,
x is
teacher.
image. Function is denoted by f, g, h, any English alphabet. Okay, but f of
Yes.
x is the image output. Clear?
Clear. Yeah.
Sometimes in some books it is written function f of x. It is wrong. Function is denoted by f. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, good. Wait. This is the there will be single output. Okay, you should remember the definition. Well defined function. There will be single output. If there will be more than one output, this is not function. Okay, are you understanding?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Function is denoted by some symbol f, and if function, you should understand, function is denoted as function from domain to range. Okay, domain to
Yes.
codomain. It is here is domain, here is r means range. Okay, this shows domain, and this shows range, or sometimes we say codomain. Okay, codomain,
Mm-hmm.
codomain. Okay, sometimes range and sometimes codomain. Okay,
Yes.
function, we can write function as y is equal to f of x. Okay,
Yes.
x is the element of domain. If you put the element of domain, this is input. Okay, last time I teach you, domain contains set of all possible inputs. Okay, set of all
Yes.
possible inputs.
Possible input. Ah,
Range contains the output set of image. Okay, all
yes.
image, all
Yes, teacher.
outputs are image. Remember it.
Yes.
Are image, set of image. Okay, set of
Yes.
image. There will be single image, not unique. Okay, single image means if you are getting 2 as a output, so for any other input you can also get 2, but not more than 2 outputs. Okay, are you understanding?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, I think it is clear to neither x nor y are functions. Okay, x and y are not function. Okay, the only
Okay.
exists to help us. X and y are only. X is input, y is output. Clear?
Yes.
Function is denoted from domain to range. Okay, domain to
Yes.
function is denoted as domain to range. Wait, function is denoted as, understand, function is denoted by f, domain to range. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes.
Domain means, can you define domain?
Um, domain is the input. Yeah.
Yes, set of all possible inputs. Okay,
Yes.
for last time I gave you example for juicer machine, for grinding
Yes.
machine, you cannot take sand as a domain, set element. Okay, sand, wood, stone. Okay, clear?
Yes. Clear, teacher.
Because your machine will be damaged when your domain is not, you are taking anything as a domain, then your machine will be damaged. So for domain set there is a limitation. Okay, according to the machine.
Yes, teacher.
I think it is clear. Okay, next.
It is clear.
Now see, it is written well defined function on finite set. Okay, you should see
Yes.
that most of the functions have numbers as a inputs and number as a output. Okay, so
Yes, teacher.
formally we will write function as function from real. If numbers, in numbers there are real numbers. In real numbers contains all type of numbers. Okay,
صح.
real to real, okay. So
Okay.
function for real to real, okay. So
Yes.
here for formally we will write function from real to real. This is a set of real number, okay, set of
Yes.
real numbers. Sometimes you can put any value, okay, and
Yes,
you
teacher.
can get any real number as a output, okay, real number. For example, I
Yes.
give you example where domain and range. For example, this set, if I have function from y to x to 2x plus 1, okay. So
Yes, teacher.
what is f uh, y value? Can you write y value? Y, wait.
Yeah.
So suppose this is a function f. So x to 2x plus 1. Sometimes we also write as, okay. Okay, y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? Can you write f of x means image?
Okay. 2x. It is 2. 2x plus x plus
2x
1.
plus 1. Yes, right, 2x plus 1. Use
Yes.
your pen.
Okay. Teacher, my eyes is hurting.
Okay. Yes, right.
So I need my glasses.
Okay, take your glasses. Okay, no problem, no problem.
No, I don't
Take
have it. I have to pick up tomorrow. Inshallah.
Okay, good. So y is equal to f of x, and you are writing
Oh,
f of x is equal to 2x plus
no. Why is it working? The pen. The pen.
okay, 2x plus 1, okay.
It's not.
So
Okay.
okay, good. This is
Yes.
this shows minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, okay. Clear?
Yes.
So x
Clear.
less than minus 1, this shows, okay. So we have divided the domain real full, its full domain is real number, but for every part there are three parts of the real number, okay. For three parts
Yes.
there are three functions. You should tell me if you put any value you are getting single output or more than one output.
You will get
Here for this f
for
of
this
x
one.
is equal to,
You,
yes,
you will get
if
two
you put,
output. Yeah.
wait, here put any value, put here x is equal to any value you should put and check you are getting single output or more than one output. Put any value x greater than 1, you should put any value x greater than 1. Can you put
2. I put 2.
x is equal to 2, write 2 here, okay. 2 cube,
Yes.
write 2 cube, 2 cube. What is answer now?
2 times 2. 8.
8. It is
Oh,
single output or more than one output?
that one would be single.
Single. This part you should see, this part function is x cube, okay. For this part x greater than 1 we will put values in x cube, so we are getting
صح.
single. So you put
Single.
any value minus 1 to 1, from minus 1 to 1 put any value and check you are getting single or not single.
Any value. Okay.
X is equal to which x value, put x is equal to which x value you are getting.
5. 5.
No, you cannot get right 5. Minus 1 to y 1.
Oh.
You can put
Oh,
value.
sorry, teacher. Okay, we could do then minus.
Its domain is minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. You can put any value. Okay, right here which value you want to put, okay. Put any value. You should see on the real number line, see, put any value. Minus 1 to 1, it is added. You should write as, okay. When minus 1 is added, so write as, okay? When minus 1 is
Okay.
not added, we will write as, okay?
صح.
Now write put which value you can put. Domain is from minus 1 to 1. Which value you can put?
I can put 1
Yes, you can put
up
1.
and
Yes,
above.
right. Yes, you
Yeah.
can put 1. Right. F of 1. F and put 1 right inside is equal to but if you are putting 1, what is answer? Here is 0. You can put 1 or no.
Oh, okay. 0.
It is a constant, okay? So you cannot put 0. So you are getting single output, clear?
Single output. Yes.
If you put any value minus 3, x is equal to minus 3, you are also getting single value, clear? Minus 3, it is minus into minus 3 square cube minus 1. You already know that
Yes.
minus is outside. Minus 3 cube, what is answer of minus 3 cube? It is answer is minus 27, okay? Minus 1.
Minus 27. Yes. Yes.
So minus minus it will become positive 27 and
Was
minus 1 good 26. This means that this is a function, piecewise defined function. Okay, this is a
yes.
piecewise function. What is the reason
Yes.
for piecewise? This has different graph. For this part, when you are putting values x greater than 1, this has different graph. This has different graph. This part has different graph. Okay, so there are three
Yes.
types of graph. So this is a piecewise function. It is also
Yes.
modulus function. It is also piecewise function. Last time I think piecewise function. Okay, when values is
Yes.
0, what is the modulus? Modulus is distance. Okay, so it is always
Mm.
positive. So
صح.
it is also piecewise. This is modulus function is also the well-defined function. Okay,
It's always
clear?
positive, the modulus function, teacher. Yeah?
Yes, value. Last time I teach you the value like this minus 1. This x,
Well,
I teach you this when x is it is positive when x greater than 0. Okay, it is 0
صح.
when x is equal to 0. Okay, it is minus x
Yes.
when x is less than 0 means you are putting negative x value. We will multiply with negative to make positive. Okay, clear? Like this minus 5. What is answer minus 5? Can you write the answer?
I can hear you.
Yes. You can
Yeah.
hear me now.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, can you write the answer? Minus 5, modulus of minus 5. What is answer?
Mm, minus 5. 0. No. Teacher, I don't understand this one.
Modulus of
What do you
minus
have
5
to do?
means distance of minus 5 from 0. Last time I teach it.
Ah,
Distance.
minus 5. Okay.
What is
So
the
it's
distance
distance.
of minus 5?
4 minus. There's the distance between 5. There's 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is the distance?
So I write the number of the distance.
Distance of minus 5 from 0. What is the answer?
4.
Minus 5 to 0 from origin, from 0 it is 5. Distance is
5,
always
yes.
positive.
Mm, okay.
Distance of minus 5 from 5 is also minus 5 from 0 is also positive 5. How can you
صح.
get it is written when value is less than negative less than 0, we will write minus into minus 5. Clear? Answer is 5.
Clear.
It's clear? So what is answer?
Clear.
Distance of modulus of 5. What is answer?
It's 5.
It is also 5. Distance is also positive. Remember it, okay? Distance is
Yes.
also
Now I remember.
positive. Remember it. This,
Good question.
for example, I draw the real number line. If I say distance is also positive. Okay.
Mhm.
For example, minus 5 distance from 0, it is also 5. Modulus of minus 5 is 5.
5.
How can you get 5? I am saying that when number is negative, you should multiply negative with negative to get positive. Okay? Are you
Okay.
understanding? X
Yes.
less than 0.
Understand.
When you are taking the modulus of number which is negative, you should multiply negative with negative so you will get positive. Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Okay, modulus of minus 5. So this is, I think it is clear. These are well defined. These are well defined.
Well
Okay?
defined. Yes.
Clear? Okay, I think it is clear to you. It is clear?
It is clear, teacher.
Okay, what is the ceiling function? Okay, ceiling function you should also understand. Ceiling function is round up to next nearest integer. Okay, round up to nearest integer. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
defined
Ah,
as minimum n belongs to z and n greater than equal to x. This is more, we also defined as, okay, ceiling function is round up to next integer. For example, sometimes we have integer. Okay, sometimes we
yes.
have 2.3, 2.5, 2.7. Okay, so we will round it nearest nearest integer. Okay, nearest
Yes.
integer. For example, wait, I teach it this. Wait, for example, see, I am writing ceiling function is equal to, it is nearest integer, round up to next nearest. Okay, round
Yes.
up to next
In-
nearest
Teacher.
integer. Okay,
Okay.
so for example, x's value is, I put 3.2. What is the
Sah.
answer of what is the answer of this? Right here, come, right, 3.2 right here, right, 3.2,
The answer.
3.2 in the function y is equal 3.2. Okay, draw square bracket. Okay, right, draw square bracket. Okay, is equal to, what is the nearest integer? Round it up to nearest integer. Good, great.
3.3.
Yes, it is a function y is equal to ceiling function. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So if
Clear.
I say x is equal to 3.8, now write y value. 3.8 and write after rounding. Okay, this is a ceiling function. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
Okay, I think a ceiling function is clear or not clear?
Yes, it's clear, teacher.
Okay, after ceiling function, wait, I will try to upload domain. I think there is also in the domain and range. I think domain and range is clear. Last time I teach you what is domain.
Yes, teacher. Yes, you explained to me. That's clear, teacher.
Okay, sometimes we can not put values, like which values we cannot put in domain. Okay, wait.
Sah.
For example, y is equal to 1 over x, okay?
صح.
So you should understand that in real number, this is a not real number. 1 over 0 is undefined, okay? Clear?
Okay.
Undefined.
Yes.
So you cannot take this number. If your function has 0 in denominator, this is not real number, okay? Undefined is not real number. We denote real number as minus infinity to plus n, means
Yes.
before this number we have real numbers, okay? So when you are
Yeah.
getting negative negatives inside the under root, this is also not real number, okay? Not real. Clear? Not real numbers. So here you should tell me, is there any, you can what is the domain? Can you write what is the domain? Okay, good, no problem. So now see, y is equal to, sometimes we cannot take all real numbers, okay? You should understand that these are functions,
Yes.
okay? So in under root there will be no negative, okay? So
Yes.
1 over under root x, you should tell me what is the domain of this function.
Which function, teacher?
1, y is equal to 1 over x.
Oh, the one. The domain is the input. Yeah.
Yes, inputs, but you should put
This one.
those inputs which gives you real number, not undefined, okay? Is there any
صح.
number you should put?
1/1. 1/1.
1 over 1 is a real number, okay, good. Which okay, 1,
Over 1.
you are doing wrong. You should tell me
Am I
which
doing?
number gives you undefined. So you can take
Oh,
all real numbers, but you should see which number gives you undefined.
the x. 1/x. X is undefined, isn't it?
When x is, what is x value which gives you undefined answer of y? You should see x is equal to 0, right? X is equal to 0 and put it. Y is equal to
1.
not 1. Put in the function 1 over 0, 1 over x. Write 0 instead of x, you should write 0.
Oh, sorry. Of course, 0. I don't know about that.
Okay, good. Okay, good, great. 1 over 0 is equal to
0.
not 0. I teach you
I mean, what?
here. See, what is the 1
Sorry,
over 0?
0.
See, use the concept.
It's 1.
Not 1. 1 over 0 I teach right here. Can you see here?
Oh, it's error. It's 0.
Undefined. Undefined is different thing. 0 is real number. Understand it.
So we say error,
0
teacher. We
is
say
real
error.
number. 0 is real
Say,
number.
okay.
Undefined
So we
is
say
not real number.
خلاص
1 over
undefined.
0 is undefined.
Good.
Undefined means
Understand.
this is not real number. So in
Understand.
for function you can put those x values, those domain values which gives you real answer.
Yes.
Undefined is
Yes.
not
Correct.
real answer. Clear?
Clear now. Very clear.
Undefined is not real number, real answer. So
Understand.
your output should be real, okay, because it is a function. In function, if you put any domain value, then you will get
Yeah.
output as a real number, okay. If you
Yes.
are
So
not getting the real number, this will not work. Like I give you example in juicer machine, if you put sand, if you put stone, you are not getting the exact output, okay. so your
Exactly. It'll be
machine will be
undefined.
damaged. Okay,
Exactly.
so
Yes.
as you cannot take sand, wood, and stone as a domain, okay, in juicer machine. So you cannot
صح.
take zero, you cannot take zero as a domain, right? Real
Makes
numbers,
sense.
we can take all real numbers, but we cannot take zero. Okay, zero
Clear.
makes our function output undefined, which is not from real numbers. Okay,
All right.
clear? It is written that,
Very clear.
you should see where uh, domain, for example 1 over x, but there is no y association to x is equal to 0, no real output which we will get when we put x is equal to 0. Okay, for x is equal to 0 we will not
Yes.
get the unique we will not get the real output. Okay, so
Yes,
at
teacher.
x is equal to 0 we say there is no output. Okay, so for function all elements should be for function you should understand. For example this for every domain elements. Okay, domain, for example if you are taking 0, all elements means all real numbers, and there is also 0. For all real number there is output. Okay, there is y value. Clear?
Yes.
But for 0
Clear.
there is no y value. Last time I teach it, all elements should be associated, 0 is not associated. Okay, at 0 we are not getting the output. Are you understanding?
Makes sense. Yes.
So we will, if we will
Clear.
not take this element in the domain. Okay, clear? This
Okay.
element in the
Yeah.
domain.
Yes, it's
Clear?
clear.
So all real
Yes.
numbers except 0. Now clear?
Very clear.
Natural domain of f of x is a largest set. D is domain, D is a subset of R. Okay, subset of R means it is not complete real number line, it is some part of real number line. Okay,
Okay.
domain is a well defined function. Okay, it is written that sometimes it is not well defined for all real. Okay, wait,
Okay.
wait. If I say if this function is from, if I say this function is from real to real, it is not function. Okay, not function. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
If I say it is denoted by domain is denoted by D. Okay, domain is subset of R. Clear? Subset of R.
Clear.
If we will denote domain to real. Okay, real is range. Okay, domain to real
صح.
number. So we say that this function has, this is a well defined function. Okay, well defined.
Yes.
Now this is well defined. Sometimes it is a
Well,
domain and we will also take the range. What value of range we cannot take. Okay, there is a method for range, but here we are not discussing the range. You should remember. Okay, I am writing the function y is equal to 1 over x square. Can you write it? What is its domain?
okay.
You should think at which value you are getting undefined.
Undefined.
Okay, so you cannot take a 0, right? A domain is equal to,
Domain equal to undefined. Yeah.
no, not undefined.
No. No. No.
Domain
No.
is x
Let me write.
values. Which x
Domain.
values you can take?
This one.
Yes, right.
No.
Domain is
No.
equal
No.
to all real numbers except 0. Okay? 0 is
Yes.
also the real number. You cannot take 0. Real minus 0. Okay?
Yes.
Real minus 0. Okay?
Yep.
Sometimes we choose the domain. Domain is real subset. If you are subtracting 0 from real, then this will become the subset, this will become the domain. Domain is subset of real number, okay? Are you
Yes, teacher.
understanding?
I am
So
understanding. Yes.
so at so you can, sometimes we cannot take full real set as a domain because it gives us undefined, okay? Clear?
Yes. Clear.
Up to this it is enough.
Yes, teacher is enough. Class.
Okay, next time we will study. Okay, you should, I will give you homework after some time, tomorrow I will write the homework. You should try to solve. Also, you should take register and write important points on your notebook and also prepare, okay? Sometimes
Yes.
your concepts are not clear when I am asking the question. For example, I am asking what is a uh, vertical line test for function. So today it is was not clear. So you should prepare. Okay, give time.
I should,
Clear?
yes, I should write it down in the book straight away as you explain it.
Okay, good, good, great. Okay,
Yeah.
assalamu alaikum, Allah hafiz.
Wa alaikum salam. Allah Hafiz.